Hello Ride On people, you join me on a nice Saturday morning. It's a bit dull and overcast, but the sun's going to come out apparently. It's going to get into the 70s, so it should be nice for a ride. Now I've had a few funny comments lately. You know, haters gonna hate. Some of them are just funny and make me laugh. And then some of them are just kind of downright rude and offensive. But equally, either way, they make me laugh. So keep up the good work, because I enjoy reading the hater comments just as much as the ones that enjoy my channel and what I do. I had a few other people reach out to me. Over the last couple of months, I've had a few emails from Ronnie Wood on the Rolling Stones, believe it or not. And I won't go into the nature of those, but thoroughly nice guy. And if you're watching this, I hope you and your family are fit and healthy and having a great time. I hope to see you on the road again soon. A couple of other subscribers have reached out to me and said, hey, can we come and have a ride with your Ride On crew? And it's something I thought about in the past. I've been a bit wary about it, but I think we might do a collective gathering at some point, and in the interim I might just have one or two subscribers come out and ride with us, and who knows, maybe they'll ride regularly or just one off. And the first one today is a guy called Tom, and he has his own podcast and other things going on, and if he wants me to, I can kind of put some links in this video to it. I might show him on film today. I'll naturally be talking to him, and if he wants me to film a few words from him, I'll do that. I'll see what his comfort level is, but should be good today. There's about 7 of us, mainly on Ducatis, on Multistradas, Street Fighters, and also we have Tom on his white GS as well joining us. We're going to meet up at Pops, which is a local bike fabrication shop and coffee shop, very trendy place where all the hipsters hang out. And Pops is a great character, also has a Ducati Multistrada V4S full on order, and maybe I'll do an interview with him. He's an interesting guy. I've met him a few times, and maybe I'll do a proper video on Pop's fabrication. But going to meet there. Apparently the BMW Club of Georgia are going to be there this morning, so probably be quite a few bikes at our meeting spot, and then we'll go for a ride. And maybe I'll put the GoPro on at some point on one of the gap roads. We'll maybe have Jerry go ahead on his Multistrada, and you can get a view of what it's like when somebody who's not a young and immortal or a track day god, or trying to impress people, just riding it at a normal pace in front of me on interesting roads and scenery, and we'll see how we get on. So anyway, probably cut my head off in this filming. I keep looking at my gorgeous Street Fighter. It's hard not to, really. Such a beautiful bike. I love it so. Anyway, stay with me, and I'll let you know how we get on. So we're at Van Zandt's, trying to avoid the rattlesnakes, having a nice coffee break. pleased not to be leading for once. Yeah. Yeah, and just think you've only been on it 5 minutes. You know, when you've been 1,000, 2,000 miles on yours, you're going to feel right at home. Yeah. Yeah, my back wheel just moved a little bit. Yeah, I think the quick shifter may be even better than this. I was quite surprised. I expected it to feel exactly the same. But it's super slick. Erik's having trouble getting past this guy. He's really fast. He's got, I think he's got 250 horsepower in that thing. Yeah, I'd have to go around him. Erik could just go over the top of him, that multi. He can do everything. I have a feeling they might break the speed limit by the time they get to the other end. Just a hunch. V4, baby. Everybody's going to come rushing up to you and ask you how it is, as though it's your bike. It's like, oh my god, is that the new multi? Have you seen all those videos on the Rideout channel? So Erik, we're out today riding with the guys, and you're on your 1260 Multistrada, and Jerry's just let you ride his new Multistrada V4S on some of the best biking roads in the world for about, I don't know, 30 miles, something like that. And what's your initial impressions?
Well, my initial impression are, why did he wait 5,000 miles to let me ride it? I want to know the answer to that question. Probably because I wouldn't give it back. No, it's a great ride. Things that I was expecting met or exceeded expectations, like the comfort of the seat, the clarity of the dashboard, the roll-on power was amazing. Roll-on power was great. Handling, honestly didn't find a huge difference. A little bit nimbler. I mean, I was comfortable never being on that bike to ride Wolfpen Gap at a speed that I would, you know,
Yeah, to me it kind of
pushing the limit on my current bike.
with the reverse crank. It turns quickly, but then the steering is slightly slowed because of the slightly bigger front wheel.
Yeah, it felt. I mean, planted was a word that Paul used when he wrote it.
Yeah.
And it definitely felt planted. I didn't feel uncomfortable on it at all at speed.
Yeah.
And
I was working the Street Fighter pretty hard to stay up with you.
we pushed the brakes pretty hard on that sudden stop sign that came out of nowhere.
God, yeah.
Very smooth. We all stopped, no problem. Brakes were good.
Cool.
That's it. I mean, the wind, I just ordered the touring windscreen on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
I was testing the buffeting because I'm tall torsoed. It's right at the top of my helmet, so I'm glad I ordered the touring screen because that'll, I think, be about right for me. I'm 6'1", but most of my height's above my waist.
So the bottom line is, post-ride, you won't be cancelling your order. You're looking forward to it.
No, definitely not. And since I've already ordered so many darn accessories,
Yeah.
they probably wouldn't want me to cancel.
Well, you can sell those cheap to me.
Until I pick them up, they will take them back.
All right. Thanks for your feedback.
Sure thing.
Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.